Hello friends, I am here to talk to you about one thing that we all have in common this holiday season. It's sugar. Sugar can be behavioral addiction, just like eating sugar at certain times of the day. And it can be a psychological addiction, like when we turn to sugar as a means to cope with life's stresses and boredom. And most importantly, it can be a chemical addiction. Hey, I am Becca, a holistic health coach and creator of the 17-minute reset workout method and the PowHERbands, the three unique system that is specially created for women using functional moves that we all need. I am here to talk to you today about an upcoming masterclass where I am going to give you special hacks to conquer your relationship with sugar that were not included in my uber successful 3-day detox because I just didn't want to overwhelm you. That detox is super easy peasy and has amazing results that you are going to have as well. In the workshop, though, I am going to be dropping down my #1 neuroscience hack that can help with any bad habit. It even helps somebody stop smoking in less than 4 weeks. And by the way, over the last 7 years, everyone who has had amazing success using my detox. So if you haven't yet completed the 3-day detox registration, grab it now. Listen, sugar not only provides major mood swings and energy swings, it can also disrupt one of the most powerful hormones in our body, insulin. And insulin is closely connected to other hormones in our body, including estrogen and testosterone. Did you know that excessive sugar in your diet can raise testosterone levels in women, leading to low libido, as well as obesity and diabetes? Cravings for sugar and sugary foods often cause significant spikes, resulting in the release and surge of another hormone. Yep, cortisol, that stress hormone, the one associated with belly fat. This masterclass is for you if you go out of your way for sugar, if you have a feeling of guilt after you eat sugar, if you use sugar to soothe your emotions, or if you've tried quitting sugar only to fail because of the intolerable symptoms that you have, such as nausea, headaches, or anxiety. This masterclass gives you the tools and the ultimate success. I hope you sign up for this class. I made it available with 2 live dates, and you're going to want to join me live because in the live sessions, I have an open mic where you can ask me any questions and discuss your challenges. I hope you're enjoying your holiday season. I'm having a really great time with my family, and I hope to see you live in the masterclass, and I hope you take advantage of this opportunity. All right, you guys, create your best day ever.